Welcome to English Literature, UGC NET. Here we are going to discuss most important questions for UGC NET exam. I hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to like and share the video. Let's start. First question. What concept does Judith Butler famously argue in Gender Trouble, suggesting gender is not something one is, but something one does? A. Intersectionality. B. Gender as a performance. C. The maternal superego. D. Semiotic chora. Right answer is option B. Gender as a performance. Next question. In Spenser's The Fairy Queen, the Red Cross Knight represents a. Intellectual skepticism. B. The virtue of holiness. C. Romantic love. D. Pagan ritualism. Right answer is option B. The virtue of holiness. Next question. The concept of mimetic desire, which refers to imitation as the basis for human behavior and rivalry, is associated with A. René Girard. B. Jacques Lacan. C. Walter Benjamin. D. M. H. Abrams. Right answer is option A. René Girard. Next question. Which poem by Sylvia Plath was written shortly before her death and is widely considered confessional and darkly autobiographical? A. Lady Lazarus. B. Morning Song. C. Daddy. D. Edge. Right answer is option D. Edge. Next question. According to Cleanth Brooks, a well-crafted poem avoids the heresy of paraphrase, meaning A. It must be written in rhyme. B. Its meaning cannot be separated from its form. C. It must include mythological references. D. It must conform to a single interpretation. Right answer is option B. Its meaning cannot be separated from its form. Next question. What is the term for a sudden moment of realization or insight in a literary work, especially in Joyce's fiction? A. Catharsis. B. Metanoia. C. Epiphany. D. Anamnesis. Right answer is option C. Epiphany. Next question. Which novel by Jean Rhys serves as a prequel to Jane Eyre, exploring Bertha Mason's perspective? A. Good Morning, Midnight. B. Voyage in the Dark. C. White Sargasso Sea. D. After Leaving Mr. Mackenzie. Right answer is option C. White Sargasso Sea. Next question. Which of the following novels employs magical realism to depict a multi-generational Latin American family saga? A. Pedro Paramo. B. Midnight's Children. C. The House of the Spirits. D. Blindness. Right answer is option C. The House of the Spirits. Next question. Which of the following is not a characteristic of the theatre of the absurd? A. Circular plot. B. A logical speech. C. Political manifesto. D. Existential themes. Right answer is option C. Political manifesto. Next question. What genre does J.M. Coetzee's Waiting for the Barbarians belong to, in terms of post-colonial classification? A. Magic realism. B. Historical allegory. C. Postmodern detective fiction. D. Utopian fiction. Right answer is option B. Historical allegory. Next question. Who coined the term metaphysical poets in reference to Donne, Marvell, and others? A. William Hazlitt. B. T.S. Eliot. C. Dr. Samuel Johnson. D. Ezra Pound. Right answer is option C. Dr. Samuel Johnson. Next question. The term episteme, referring to the historical conditions that define the nature of knowledge, is central to the work of A. Louis Althusser. B. Michel Foucault. C. Jacques Derrida. D. Judith Butler. Right answer is option B. Michel Foucault. Next question. Which structuralist critic introduced the concepts of Lang and parole in linguistic theory? A. Claude Lévi-Strauss. B. Roland Barthes. C. Ferdinand de Saussure. D. Noam Chomsky. Right answer is option C. Ferdinand de Saussure. Next question. Which novel features a protagonist who writes a diary for Big Brother and ends with the phrase, "He loved Big Brother"? A. Fahrenheit 451. B. Brave New World. C. 1984. D. V. Right answer is option C. 1984. Next question. In Poetics, Aristotle states that the most effective tragic plots involve A. A completely virtuous hero falling into misfortune. B. A villain receiving punishment. C. A tragic hero with a hamasha leading to a reversal in recognition. D. Supernatural intervention. Right answer is option C. A tragic hero with a hamasha leading to a reversal in recognition. Question for you. In Lacanian psychoanalysis, what stage corresponds to the formation of the I through identification with an external image? A. The symbolic. B. The real. C. The imaginary. D. The superego. Submit the right answer below in the comment box. And don't forget to like and share the video.